The Hearthside Pergola from Horizon Structures can help expand your living space to the great outdoors. Let's start with the pressure-treated, laminated 5x5 posts. The sturdy, stylish half-moon braces add strength and rigidity. The heavy-duty headers are made of triple-ply pine boards, while the arched joists offer a look you won't find on other pergolas. At the top, 2x6 pine runners with attractive scallops finish the unique style of this pergola. The joists and runners are notched for not only strength, but easy assembly. Like all of our structures, you'll find an almost endless list of options. Select your size. Choose your color. Add a privacy wall. Or maybe a lattice roof. Select an easy shade canopy to block out the midday sun, or an easy shade curtain for shade and privacy. No matter your style, there are options to make your pergola uniquely yours. But there's much more to our pergolas than colors and options. There's quality. We work hard to provide the very best products in the business, and it shows in our quality. In fact, we're so confident of our quality that we back every one of these pergolas with our 10-year, top-to-bottom warranty. Now there's real peace of mind. Pergolas are also a great way to add value to your property, and financing is available if needed. The Hearthside Pergola from Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary Amish quality, and amazing value.